Oh great, that little compact car just got the surprise of a lifetime, running head first into this heavy-duty behemoth crawling up the mountain. And just like that, our truck driver lost all his momentum. Now he has to throw this massive rig into reverse just to get a running start. Truly a blockbuster performance. It was just a regular turn at the bottom of the pass, not even that steep. But thanks to our genius in the small car playing a game of chicken, the truck's momentum is entirely gone. Now he has to back it up. Hello there, brother. Looking at this setup, it seems he is hauling two massive power generators, and sitting right behind those is a giant pile of concrete drilling pipes. Good grief, that is an absurd amount of weight. Let us see how our brave driver is going to conquer this notorious three-level hairpin turn. Once he clears this slope, the three-tier curve is waiting for him just about 1,640 feet ahead. All right, folks, the truck has arrived at the elbow curve on the three-level section. The driver is swinging way wide to muscle this rig up the mountain. It is late afternoon, and the scenic mountain pass is absolutely swarming with all kinds of vehicles. Wow, the truck actually survived that section. Right above this, there is another brutal curve waiting. Now I am going to sprint ahead, overtake this monster, and get to the higher section to film this epic struggle for you all. Now the truck is sweeping into the next turn to conquer this bend. The weather up here on the pass today is wonderfully cool. The sky is clear, visibility is flawless. Perfect, picturesque conditions for heavy machinery to fight for its life on a mountain road. This truck is incredibly heavy. Those are solid iron pipes, probably massive rotary drill bits for piling. The truck has almost survived this bend and continues its relentless march uphill. Let us see how our driver tames the Hairpin Pass. You can see how intensely sharp this curve is. The banking angle is absolutely terrifying. I just spotted the truck poking its nose out of the turn. This is an 8% grade stretching for about 980 feet. Wow, a tourist bus is hurtling down right above him. The truck is agonizingly crawling up the incline. There is about 330 feet left before the truck crests this slope. Then it is on to the upper sections. Just 3 more brutal hairpin turns, and this rig will finally reach the summit of the Hairpin Pass. Let us get moving. Today is the weekend, folks. The traffic is an absolute zoo. For heavy transport vehicles dragging themselves over the pass today, it is pure, unadulterated misery. I am looking at this cargo and it is packed perfectly within the trailer limits. Why on earth did he not just take the tunnel? Nothing is sticking out, yet he chose to suffer the mountain pass. Oh my goodness, the compact car strikes again, panicking at the sight of the heavy machinery. The driver lost his momentum. He has completely lost momentum, folks. The driver is forced to do a hill start right in the middle of the slope. He cannot make it up. The truck is literally sliding backward down the hill. Climb! Now he has to reverse again to build up speed. What a tragic struggle. A curve right at the base of the mountain, not even a steep one, but because he had to dodge that brave little car earlier, all momentum vanished. Now he reverses, hits the gas, and tries again. Keep pushing up. Like I mentioned before, weekend traffic is packed, making life miserable for these heavy haulers. One tiny mistake, and your momentum is history. Now we head to the upper curves to track this beast. The truck has made its grand entrance up here. This is the ultimate boss-level curve to test a driver's steering skills. This section is punishing, dragging that weight upward while a swarm of motorcycles pours down the hill. Push up! The truck has conquered exactly one half of the curve. Push harder! And just like that, a triumphant success. Congratulations to our driver. There is only one final hairpin left at the very peak before this uphill battle is over and the downhill plunge begins. I am going to stick with this truck all the way to the top curve. Onward! The truck has reached the elbow curve on the south high van side. Because it is the weekend, this curve is absolutely packed with spectators. The truck has almost cleared the entire turn, folks.